What is happening here, we are doing rituals of success, rituals of money, making bodies of the people magnetic money, making every gain possible to a person.
So can you tell us, Mr. Kokobula, we're seeing money lying around, these are coins, 2 rands and 5 rands. Can you tell us what's the impact of these coins on these rituals that you're doing today?
In actual fact, money started as a coin, not as a note. They had to make notes because there was higher volume of exchange for money as in buying. So even if you see the crown that the queens and the king wear, especially the West End, it's silver. So this money represents, we're actually getting one spiritual side to understand money, to understand that people need money. We use this money for the ritual, we call it cooking, yet it's working upon somebody with this money to bring wealth.
Okay, thank you very much. So, when you were doing your rituals, we saw a lot of kids around, and probably they are your kids, eh?
They are my kids.
Yes. So we saw them around, helping out. So tell me, what's the impact of having kids on this ritual?
Actually, I have 12 kids of my own, my blood kids, my biological kids, and one extra kid, my stepdaughter, the daughter to my wife. I'm getting these kids understanding these things. Since when I was growing up, our great-grandfathers would do these rituals hiding there so that they leave no knowledge with us. So when I looked at my children, I found that all of them have got spiritual gifts. So I'm getting them to practice earlier, and that is now. And it's not me who make them do that. They are spiritually led.
Okay, we understand. So because the reason why we were asking this question, we are asking on behalf of the world, as in, wouldn't it sort of distort the seriousness of the ritual or something? So we just wanted the world to know what is actually happening.
I've so much understood that a child can be more serious than an adult. These children can contribute spiritually more than I can, because these children haven't done some serious stuff that can distance a person from the spirits. They are young, pure souls, so it's easy for the spirits to dwell in them, and it's easy for them to abide by the rules within the doctrines of Spiritism. So their presence really gets things very serious than one would think, as in a child way.
Okay, we understand. Wow. All right. Then tell us, Mr. Kokobula, lastly, what do you think this video has got? We're talking of the impact that it has to you and to the kids and the rest of the world. What do you think this video can, the actual impact? Can you tell us?
As with the kids, this video, as they watch it, as they grow, will get them to see at what stage they started to do these things, and that actually makes it give the roots and the deeper roots, that firmness and the strength to actually understand that this is their life. It's something they are growing up with, and they are not embarrassed with it, since some other children are into other foreign religions, which are not the religions of their forefathers. It will make them do the very same thing with their own children from generation to generation. As with the world, as with the world, this video can be very much bad, as with the world. Because we have got some guys who come from some different spirituality, who pretend to be sangomas, who pretend to be a spiritualist just as good as I am. So when they look at these things, you will find a lot of them doing coins like I'm doing, yet this is the first thing maybe ever that we have seen in its own kind. But there are people who don't have those ideologies, who are not communicating with their spirits, who don't get ideas from their spirits as in what to do. They might want to copy this and fake the practice to the people. What I can say with the world and what the world have got to understand is that these coins without spiritual powers are nothing. These shells, water shells, without powers they are nothing. Everything you are seeing here as my tools, even the drums themselves, without the spiritual powers and abilities and the skills of the spirit to turn things around, these things are nothing. Everything have got to be accompanied by spiritual powers. So I'm making these things happen. My people are happy who come here for these rituals, necessarily because they work of them. They work for them because I have those spiritual powers that I portray.